Hello everyone. Welcome to Suntech. Today, let's test our electric warp beam lift trolley today, featuring the harness mounting device. Join us. This integrated control handle manages all functions, making the operation smooth and effortless. Equipped with automotive-grade EPS, electronic steering, ensuring flexible and silky smooth turns. Equipped with side shift functionality for precise lateral movement and alignment, makes beam handling faster and easier than ever. The trolley handles warp beams via custom hooks, supporting a 2,500 kilograms capacity with stable operation even under full load. The harness mounting device supports remote control, significantly optimizing the entire beam handling workflow. Power lifting up to 700 millimeters. Safe, steady, and pinpoint accuracy for left-right positioning. Smooth turning under pressure. Negotiate tight 90 corners with ease. Single wheel moving makes navigation in limited spaces a breeze. Smooth movement in all 4 directions under load. Ready to upgrade your textile mill? Contact us today for a customized automation solution. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more textile tech updates.